Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look super rough. You're gonna understand why. First, we're gonna play our intro. Okay, so today we are gonna go over our February Boxycharm. And here's why I look so rough. First of all, the theme is Afterglow. Super cute. Anyways, the first item we've gotten here is a primer. But before that, we've also got this Pharmacy Clean V cleanser, which I'm super excited about because I needed a new facial cleanser. But obviously we're not going to use that on camera. So the first thing we are going to use is our No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. I was so excited about this. We're going to give you a little zoom in because I've been using a sample of it that I got somewhere forever ago, and it's amazing. So we're just going to use it. We're going to squirt it out onto our hand. I'm going to get a pretty generous amount. I have found with this that if y'all were having difficulties, if you don't use enough, it's not going to do much. Probably don't need this much, but your girl's got a late night ahead of her because I am now bartending on the side, which means a lot of very late nights where I have to wear makeup and I gotta look cute. And I need it to last until whenever we close, which is always questionable. So I'm just going to put this everywhere. Make sure it's really in the skin. All that good jazz. It doesn't have a weird smell. It's almost got like a soapy smell, but not really. I don't know, kind of. But it is amazing. I'm going to let it dry for just a second, and I'm going to let y'all watch me go ahead and put my foundation on. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. It's my favorite right now. But while we're drying, oh, well that was cute. My coat just spewed on me. We're leaving this in here because mistakes are fun. But, yeah. That was adorable. Anyways, so what I do with this foundation, just so you can see my process, is, stop Jackson, I just put it like in little lines all over my face. Quit. Just like so, on half of my face because it does dry pretty fast. And I'm going to go ahead and take my new IT Cosmetics brush. It's the Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing. Super soft and very dense. It came in my Ipsy. And then I just buff it into the skin like so. Some people use beauty blenders. I'm not a fan. It just takes too long for me to do my foundation with a beauty blender. And if y'all haven't figured out by now, I'm all about making the process quicker and more effective, but still looking snatched. So I just do it like this to get all my foundation buffed in. And as always, this primer just makes everything look a little closer to airbrushed. Definitely gives me a nice finish. And I'm always impressed. So I'm gonna go ahead, and we don't have any more items that I need to use right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do the majority of my makeup, and then I'll come back. We've got 3 more items that I'm going to show you when we're done. Okay, so we are back for the rest of the box. I know I look crazy dark and smoky in the eyes. I'm going for a bit of a punk vibe to see how that goes for tips today. So the next item we've got, oh y'all, okay, I've gotten one of these before in a different color, but it's the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and this one is in Glow Up. And I don't know how well this color is going to fit me, but hopefully good. I've got this huge highlighting brush because we do want to overdo our highlight today. And let's see, it's not a bad color, first off. And this is a really good formula. It's definitely makes you shiny, gives you just that right amount. It's not going to be super intense even once you layer it up. I mean, it's definitely still there, but if you're like me and you love like a crazy blinding highlight, it's not going to be the best one, but it's still really good. Okay, so then I've got this Trace Prime and Color Lip Glaze. Okay, so this is a little weird. It's got a primer in here, which I guess is just like a little lip balm looking thingy. So just rolling it over my lips. Okay, popping that back in. And then we've got this, and I got the color English Rose. I don't know how I feel about this, and I also don't know if I want to wear it to work or not. Probably not. Ooh, y'all got really dark for a minute, but we're gonna apply it just to see. Okay, definitely not my favorite, but it is a pretty color. This is magnetic. I do like the packaging, and the primer is a nice little lip balm. I mean, it's alright, but I'm probably not going to wear this to work. Yeah, so we've got our last item, which they did so good on the Holy Grails, because first of all, this is the best primer ever, and a lot of people use it. So excited. And then we get Better Than Sex mascara, and anyone who knows anything about makeup knows. Like, this is the holy grail for a ton of people. Personally, I've only ever used the waterproof, which is not good. It's impossible to get off. It's really clumpy. Not good. But we've got this regular one. It's got this nice chunky wand, and we're just gonna pop it on and see how it looks. For people who usually use drugstore, this is the high-end equivalent of L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is amazing and extremely cheaper. But this one is typically just a little bit better. Some people don't like the effect it gives. Personally, I think it's pretty nice. So this is the close up. My eyeshadow is so dark it's hard to tell, but this is a very nice mascara. I've always really liked Too Faced in general. Their mascara has always been really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this on over here really fast, and then we are gonna talk about this box and how we feel, because I have some mixed emotions on it. So there's our mascara. It's not the best mascara. I still have a couple that I like better, but it's definitely really good. So we're gonna zoom us out and we are gonna chit chat. So we've got this, which is a very good ingredient, clean cleanser. It's not got any of those crazy harsh chemicals in it as far as I'm aware. This is supposed to be a really good brand. So skincare is not my favorite, but that's really good. Then we've got this primer, which is amazing. I know if you have oily skin and big pores, this is perfect. You would love it. We've got our highlighter, which is a formula that I'm already really fond of. It's super cute packaging. I love this brand. Overall win. Super excited about that. We've got a major Holy Grail mascara that a ton of people swear by. Always a good product to get. And then we've got this lippy, which isn't my favorite, but if you're someone who likes kind of a more laid back, easy to wear product, I mean, you would probably like this. It's not a me thing, but it's definitely super cute and really nice. So this box is really good. I thought they really knocked it out of the park on this one. Some people got, you know, like Bum Bum Cream and stuff like that, which are really good variations too. It just kind of depended on which one you got. There was different lipsticks and stuff like that. So I think they did incredible on this box. My only issue is, you know, a lot of months we get a palette and this month we didn't, which that really just sounds so entitled and spoiled. Like, we aren't going to get a palette every month. We've honestly gotten spoiled to the fact that we've been getting them so often. So I really think they did an exceptional job with this box. I know that a lot of this I will be using pretty regular, especially the primer and the mascara and the highlight. I mean, they're perfect. So yeah, I'm just overall really happy with this one. I think Boxy really did that thing. I guess as far as spoilers, because I always like to give y'all a few, what we've got so far is for March Luxe, we are going to get a Morphe palette. There's going to be nail polish. Let me see if I can look up these for y'all real fast, because they've got several spoilers out for March already. Okay, so we've got 7 spoilers. That's crazy because there's only 10 items in the box. So there's a Becca lipstick. I'll try to hold these up here so y'all can see them. Becca lipstick. This Cover FX face palette right here. We've got these nail polishes, which that'll be fun. They're like nude colors. Lily lashes. We've got this really strange Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion from Iconic London. I don't really know how I feel about that. We're going to see. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. And then we've got one of 4 Morphe palettes. So, March box sounds incredible. I don't know which part of that comes in the regular Boxy, but I know several of the items will be the same. But yeah, I'm stoked. I cannot wait to get my March box. I love the Luxe. It is amazing. But yeah, so I guess that's it for today's video. I really loved this box. If you got it, I hope you liked it too. Let me know down below what variation you got. I would love to see who got the same ones as me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.